So means market price of the item is just what he paid is 810, but now the market price is what, 750, including 10% sale tax. Find the printed price of the shirt and necktie together. Suppose if the sale tax is reduced to 6%, what amount you should pay is the question. So for that, first you should calculate the market price. Sale tax percent of market price. For a tie, if you read the question, for a tie, including sale tax is paying 110 rupees. Because tax was 8%. Now tax is reduced to 6%. The total amount to be paid is also reduced to 795%. So customer should pay just 795 rupees at the rate of what? 6% sale tax. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll continue with the problems of sale tax. So now, Bharat bought a shirt for rupees 336, including 12% sale tax, and necktie for rupees 110, including 10% sale tax. Find the printed price of the shirt and necktie together. They gave the amount paid, means they gave the amount including sale tax. So using amount paid formula, we'll get the market price. So now they're asking you find the printed price. Printed price or market price. So let X be the market price of the first item, shirt. So now you know amount paid is equal to market price plus sale tax percent of market price. This is the formula we'll use. Total amount whatever we pay is market price along with that sale tax. So amount paid is equal to market price plus sale tax of market price. So we don't know market price, it is X, but amount paid for the shirt is given. He is paying rupees 336. So LHS I can write 336 plus sale tax percentage. What is the percentage of sale tax they told? 12% sale tax. So what is 12% sale tax? 12 by 100 of X rupees. Now simplify this. So 336 is equal to, if you take LCM, or you can divide this also. This is 2 6 12, 2 50 or further you would have tried 2 3 2 25. So simplify as much, then we can continue. 2 6 12, 2 50 again 2 3 2 25. So we are left out with X by 3X by 25. Simplify this. So 336 is equal to, we have X plus 3X by 25. So we'll take LCM. LCM gives you 25. 25X plus 3X is equal to 336. So that is 28X divided by 25 is equal to 336. So rearrange this. If you rearrange 336 into 25 divided by 28 is equal to X, you'll get. Now further you can divide both. So 2 14s and this is 2 1s, 13, 2 6 and 2 8s. Further 2 or 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28, 2 1s are 2 12s. So X will become 12 into 25, 25 2s are 50 and 25 1s are 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 300. So rupees 300, this is the cost of what? Shirt. So therefore you got market price of shirt. So they want market price of what? Both. So you got market price of shirt. Market price or listed price or printed price. Market price of shirt we got. Market price of shirt. We got. What is the market price of shirt? Market price of shirt we got. How much we got? If you see 300 rupees. So rupees 300. Similarly, we should get the market price of tie. Same format we use. So what is the formula I told you? Amount to be paid is equal to market price plus sale tax of market price. Sale tax percent of market price. For a tie, if you read the question, for a tie, including sale tax is paying 110 rupees. Including sale tax is paying 110 rupees and 10% is the sale tax. So amount paid is 110, market price we don't know X. So we'll assume let X be the market price of tie. Market price or printed price of tie. So now sale tax percent, 10% they told, 10 by 100 of x. So further you can simplify 110 x is equal to, I can cancel 0, 0. So I'll be having x by 10. So now simplify this. So you get 110 is equal to, if you take LCM 10, 10x plus x. So 110 is equal to 11x by 10. So rearrange, x is equal to 110 into 10 divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11, zeros are. So 10 into 10 is 100. So you will get x as 100. Therefore, x is equal to what? Rupees 100. Or we say market price or printed price of tie is equal to 100 rupees. So now conclusion, they want you to find the printed price of both. So therefore, market price or printed price of tie is equal to rupees 200. Sorry, rupees 100. That is what we calculated. So total becomes what? 400. Total price is paying 300 plus 100, 400. So find the printed price of shirt and necktie together. So together means add both. Therefore, printed price, or we can also say market price, printed price of shirt and tie, both shirt and tie is equal to 300 plus 100, that is rupees 400. This is the total market price. I hope all of you got this. Next, a shopkeeper sells an item at the price of rupees 810, including sale tax 8%. This 810 is including sale tax 8%. What should be a customer pay for the same item if the sale tax is reduced to 6%? So now he paid 810 rupees at the rate of 8%. Suppose if the sale tax is reduced to 6%, what amount he should pay is the question. So for that, first you should calculate the market price. For that market price, you should calculate 6%, then you will come to know. So now we'll start with an assumption. Let x be the market price of x be the market price of item. So now you know the formula. Amount to be paid is equal to market price plus sale tax percent of market price. So amount paid, what is the amount paid? Amount paid is 810 rupees. That's what is given. So LHS I'll take 810 rupees and market price I'll assume x. Sale tax percent they give. Sale tax percent they told 8%. So 8% means 8 by 100 of x. Now simplify this. So 810 is equal to x, and you can divide this. 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 20. It will be 4 5s are 8 by 2 by 25, 2x by 25. Now rearrange. So 810 rupees is equal to, if you take LCM, it will become 25x plus 2x. Now 810 is equal to 27x by 25, and x is equal to what? 810 into 25 divided by 27. Simplify this. So 9 9s are 0, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3 30s are. So x is what? 25 into 30. X is 25 into 30. So 25 3s are 75, 750 rupees. So x, this is a market price, market price without tax. So means market price of the item is just what he paid is 810, but now the market price is what? 750. Now the question is, if the sale tax is reduced to 6%, what is the amount to be paid? So now amount to be paid. Amount to be paid is what? Market price plus sale tax percent of market price. Do you agree? So what is the market price? So they told market price, they have not given, we calculated now 750 rupees. But now sale tax is not, earlier sale tax was 8%, but now the sale tax is reduced to what? 6%. So now he is supposed to pay 750 plus 6% of 750. So now the new sale tax percent is reduced to 6%. Calculate at the rate of 6% and add it. So 0 0 cancels, and 2 3s are 2 5s are. Further 5 1s are 5 5s are. So 750 rupees plus 15 into 3, 45 rupees. So add this. So it becomes 50 plus 45, 795 rupees. So now what is the amount to be paid, they asked. So now therefore here they mentioned what should be the customer pay. So therefore customer, so they mentioned what should be the customer should pay rupees 795. Customer should pay only rupees 795. Earlier he is supposed to pay 750. Now he is supposed to pay 795 because the tax has reduced. See, earlier when tax was 88%, he is supposed to pay 810 rupees. When tax is more, amount to pay to be becomes more, but market price remains same. So using that we got market price. For this market price, at the rate of 6%, he is supposed to pay 795. Earlier how much he used to pay? 810. Because tax was 8%. Now tax is reduced to 6%. The total amount to be paid is also reduced to 795%. So customer should pay just 795 rupees at the rate of what? 6% sale tax. So now these are the standard 5 markers which you should memorize. The formula which you should become thorough. First become thorough with the formula, then you can automatically solve. What is the formula? Amount paid is equal to market price plus sale tax percent of market price. So market price plus what? Sale tax percent of market price is the amount to be paid. This is the formula we used. So I hope all of you understood both the problems. Please sit and practice this. All the problems are equally important. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.